Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and a very good morning and Assalamu alaikum. It is my honor to be standing here and talking on something very, very important and something very close to everybody's heart who are sitting here. Here, the policymakers, the development partners, experts, and community leaders will be talking about a very important issue. And Sherry Rahman, I think, has laid the stage for all the discussions that will be carried on in the different panels in the coming 2 days. I feel that your sitting here, your participation reflects our collective resolve to address population challenges and strengthen family well-being. I thank you all for being here, and I especially thank the Dawn Media Group for taking up all the challenges that we are facing and making people aware of what are the challenges. And of course, Population Council ki Begum Sattar Sahiba, who's been taking up this issue for the last so many years, who's persistent, and her persistency shows that we are coming to a near resolve. It has been accepted at the highest level. The Prime Minister is conscious of the fact and appreciates and recognizes that how important family management is, and everybody is on board now. What I feel that it is no more a demographic issue. It is linked with our economy. It is linked with our well-being of the people. It is linked with the future of our children. It is linked with everything a country is judged by. Population management is an important issue. The political will is there, but should now be turned into action, I feel. And the Prime Minister of Pakistan is conscious of the fact that how important population management it is. It is directly linked with our well-being. But I want to leave a food for thought. We need to de-link the National Finance Commission award from population as primary basis of allocation. We have to de-link it because we have to see what the human development bars are. And when you link it with population, the Finance Commission is, I think, misled and misguided. So one thing very important which I want to mention is, in which I think we should be discussing and debating in our panel discussions, is that we have to de-link the Finance Commission from population. And that is important. The fast-growing population is putting a lot of pressure on our resources, hospitals, schools, and jobs, and climate resilience. And leadership realizes and recognizes this. This resolve must be turned into a clear population strategy. And strategy shift should be seen and visible. Sherry has given a very detailed, comprehensive issues that needs to be tackled. I think we will be discussing them in our panel discussions, and as said, it will be a productive discussion and results will come as policymakers, as legislators are sitting here in the audience. I think we will have something concrete by the end of this. And thank you very much once again. I don't want to go into details because everything has been discussed now. Threadbare discussions will be done in the panels. And thank you very much, Dawn Group, and the Population Council for coming up with this good good summit. Inshallah, we will be looking forward to a productive discussions in the coming sessions. Thank you very much.